Well, here's the Lexus again with the rapid clicking of the turn signal lights. So, checking the back one. It's good. And the culprit, nothing here. So on the Lexus, you could actually reach for the turn signal bulbs. I think over there. Yep, from the front bumper. So you guys just gonna reach that, and then that should be able to replace it. That'd be easy. Yep. Be able to replace this bulb. And pull this out. It's actually not even warm. Oh. Okay. Let's replace this. So this is the bulb number 1156A. Luckily I have a spare one at home because I just replaced the other one. Oop. So going back and down under. And putting the bulb in. Oh, I think I cannot do it with one hand. Okay, now bulb's in place. Put it back to the hole. Okay, now it's back to normal. So you got that blinking at a normal speed. Same thing at the back too.